How to put multiple pictures on one post on Instagram. In order to put multiple pictures in one post on Instagram, it's fairly simple to do so. So what we're going to do is simply open up Instagram like this. And when we've done that, we're going to go about posting it. Now, normally when we select images, we just select one like this over here. So we will go to this post option first of all, and we'll select one, and when we select other one is going to get unselected and it'll get selected. But the thing you have to keep in mind is before you select multiple posts, you have to tap on this button that says select multiple. So when you do that, now you can go about selecting your images. So you can select the first image and crop it accordingly like this, depending upon how large you want it. You can select the second image and crop that also accordingly as to how much you want it. Third image also, you can follow the same stuff. Fourth image, and you can add as much as you want. You'll also see the order by which they've been added. Then you can tap the next option, and now you can again see the order. You can add or remove the music, then tap the next option and go about posting it. And this way you can put multiple pictures on one post on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.